Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and as you can see in the left upper corner we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it. Now it is obviously off, and after tapping we've got 3 more options to choose from. We can set 10 seconds, 5 seconds and 3 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 10 seconds, simply tap on the time you want to use and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on this device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option. Let's tap on the timer again and choose for example 5 seconds. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. Now in order to turn off the timer, just tap on this icon again and choose the off option. And as you can see, from now on this device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.